Here's a quick little video on how to change your gas gauge on your Kawasaki Bayou 220. Mine's a 1995. So first of all, you want to pop these screws off. 1, 2. There's 2 more under the seat. Get the seat off. Pull your cable. Pop the seat off. Take these 2 screws off. This is what they look like. There's 4 of them. Take this guy. Take this guy off. This lifts up and pulls forward. Set your screws aside. You're gonna want to get your hood cover off, your gas cover off. There's like 3 tabs. You see how they go forward? Same on both sides. But be careful. There's wires for your ignition and the cable for your reverse. So get that loose. But probably want to take your gas cap off. Set that aside. Now, the reason to do all that is so there's a foam thing up in here. Take that off. Pull it down. Set that aside. Get a regular screwdriver. Come back up in here. This has a little. I don't know if you can see it. There, you can see it. There's a little area there to help you pop that off. You can see it now. Get that out of there. And then you want to get underneath this gas gauge a little bit. Better view. Screwdriver. There. Doesn't matter if you damage it. Mine isn't damaged, but it's all cloudy. Pull that out. And it's just a float. As you can see, mine's totally deteriorated. I think I got a new one for about, I think it was under $8 or $9 off Amazon. Comes with a ring as well. I'll add the link to my video, but just slide that float back down in there. You want to get it lined up, of course. Stop this for a second, get it in there perfect. There, side to side. I need 2 hands to get it straight, but you just set it in there and you push down and it'll go click, click. It's seated in there. Take your ring, get that on there straight. That should snap on as well. Sorry if I get in your way, but I'm trying to see myself. That looks about right. That should just press on there. Alright, I need 2 hands for that. Be right back. So yep, you just need 2 hands, a little even pressure. That worked out well. Put your foam back on there. And move your card, move your hood back. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this again, but I'm just sliding it from below. There. Got it up in there. And then just reassemble everything. 4 screws and snap it in place. Just a word of caution, the front bolts are longer than the back bolts. These ones are the short ones. These ones are the long ones. Put the front cover back on. And there you go. Brand new fuel gauge. Compared to that, look at that. What a difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.